All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. So later, later, sometime after. I will be there later. We should arrive later today. It will be here later. Later. Yeah, later. Yeah. You think they'll be here later? Why would they be here later? I should be there later with the food. When? I should be there. When? I should be there later. Yes. Later, later on, the alarm should go off. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. I wanted to be there later on. I wanted to be there later on. Yes. We have plans to be there later on tonight. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. I don't want it to be any later. No later than 5 p.m. No later than 5 p.m. We want the parcel to arrive no later than 5 p.m. How cool is that? Yeah. She wants to arrive later after you. So she wants you to arrive first, so then she will arrive later. Yeah, you first, then her later. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So later. Now, can you use later in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.